Alrighty, Stephen, here's your 427. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads, custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got your Bronco valve covers. Got the Bronco Milodon oil pan. Obviously it's the EFI, Pro-M, Holley throttle body, Holley fuel management. Great system. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 520 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 546, good and flat there. Peak horsepower 524, rated at 520, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. And receive your engine. Find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno stuff, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug it and watch it. On the engine, be the tag. That's some other spec stuff. It'll actually have your engine number. If you need anything from us, that's the easiest way to look at you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code that'll take you to more tech stuff. So really recommend watching all this. It'll help you installation. Have a great day.